Hi my YouTube beauty, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video about MAC Cosmetics Bazaar Blizzard Bash Holiday 2023 collection. Collection includes sparkler eyeshadow price is $25. Shades include Zero Chill, White with Purple Pearl, Gold Crush, Gold with Gold Pearl Jingle Tingle, Bronze with Gold Pearl. Extra Dimension Skin Finish price is $42. A limited edition snowflake design. Made to sculpt and highlight your face, leaving a luminous, well-defined metallic finish that lasts up to 10 hours. Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Stick price is $28. Shades include Ameri Cherry, Bright Red, Cocoa Kisses, Warm Brown Peppery Pink, Soft Warm Pink. SNOWBODY'S Business Eyeshadow Palette X12 price is $54. A holiday exclusive 12-pan eyeshadow palette featuring all new and best-selling colors in matte to frost textures. Dive into a wintry mix of 12 brand new and best-selling eyeshadow shades. Bundled up in a limited edition mirrored compact SQUALL Goals Eyeshadow Palette X6 price is $33. Palettes include Sparkle Storm Cabin Fever, a holiday exclusive eyeshadow palette featuring 6 all new and best-selling warm and cool tone shades. Experience a haze of dazzling shades with 2 limited edition palettes, featuring 6 all-new and best-selling warm and cool hues. Bundled up in a pocket-sized mirrored compact Color Excess Gel Pencil price is $23. Lips by the Dozen Mini Powder Kiss Lipstick X12 price is $89. Powdered Snow Powder Kiss Lip Kit price is $44 each. Holiday exclusive lip kit featuring Powder Kiss lipstick, Powder Kiss liquid lip color and lip pencil in new and best-selling pink and brown shades. Swipe on a weightless kiss of color with this lip kit featuring new and best-selling hues of Powder Kiss lipstick, Powder Kiss liquid lip color. Frostbitten Kiss LUSTREGLASS Lipstick X5 price is $64. Set includes Steer Crazy, Mid-Tone Pink Holiday Jam, Purple, Hug Me, Brush Nude, 3 grams Pad, Brick Red Business Casual, Warm Red Nude. Hail to the Chic, Lipstick Try-Up price is $25. Set includes Lipstick Ruby Woo Tokyo, Vivid Blue Red Powder Kiss Lipstick Teddy 2, Zero, Deep Tone Beige Powder Kiss Lipstick Stay Curious, Pinky Red. LUSTRELIGHT Mini Lipstick Try-Up price is $25. A limited edition Mini LUSTREGLASS Lipstick Trio in Neutral and Pink Color Waves, each featuring 3 all-new shades. Next gift set is Lost in the Gloss Lip Glass Try-Up price is $35. Sets include Pink Purple. Thermostatus Best Sellers Kit price is $35. Set includes MAC Stack Mascara Black Stack, Black, Fix Plus Original Peau de Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Lipstick Over the Top Mid-Tone Dirty Nude. Holiday Heroes Kit price is $79. Snow Transite Kit price is $49. Brush of Snow Essential Brush Kit price is $55. A holiday exclusive brush kit featuring 4 fundamental makeup brushes for face and eyes in travel-friendly sizes. Freshen up your frosty looks with this set of 4 fundamental brushes for face and eyes in travel-friendly sizes. Stay Put Fix Plus Duoperis is $33. Snow Peony Hyper Real Kit price is $34. Turquoise Tizzy Duoperis is $79. Winter WONDERGLAM Look in a Box price is $55. Frosted Blur Primer price is $35. Bundled in Magic Mascara Duoperis is $27. Luxe Layers Muck Stack Mascara Duoperis is $39. Mary Matte Prep Plus SET Kit price is $39. Snow Peony Hyper Real Kit price is $34. Frosted Frenzy Advent Calendar price is $220. This collection available on their website Ulta Beauty, Nordstrom, Selfridges, Macy's. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon also for more beauty news. Thank you for watching. Bye.